explore. A few students had come and asked me, ma'am, what is the ROI? You know, I was so pinched with this line. We all are academicians. You know, we have dedicated our life to the next generation of our country. We are not doing a business. We are teaching business. We are not doing business. Right? So, first of all, decide which course. Are you all 100% sure of doing an MBA? Or is it just because it's the trend? You are seeing your friends doing it, putting it in Insta that they're having a lot of fans, they are placed well. Is that the motivation behind doing an MBA? No, you are 100% sure?
ऐसा है कि ये श्योर है आप ही करने वाले हैं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि पिताजी के फ्रेंड ने बोला कि आपके बेटे को या बेटी को ये करना चाहिए इसलिए आप कर रहे हैं नो ओके
ठीक है. So few things sir had said, like, the curriculum is important for you all. The faculty, of course, definitely the panel of faculties which a college is having is equally important. You have different websites where you can go in and explore their college.